happened to you?
I got old.
I don't want to be old.
Don't worry, it'll happen so fast you won't even know it happened.
Do I have to get wrinkles?
They're not so bad.
Yes, they are.
Well, you can always have work done.
You mean Botox?
Who are all these children?
You. They're all you. All the different lives you could have had if you hadn't chosen the life you chose.
But I didn't choose.
That's you if you had continued studying art. And that's you if you had married your true love. And that's you if you had forgiven your mother. So many yous you never got to know. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. And that's you if you'd shown kindness to your daughter. And that's you if you'd learned to overlook others' flaws. And you, if you hadn't given up on life. Hello. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
And here's you if you'd ever liked other people. And you if you'd ever liked yourself. You if you'd left bigger tips. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. And now it's time to say goodbye.
No.
But you have to. You have to.
No.
Everything has a beginning and